Alrighty, now that I have this chair out of the living room and on the back porch and flipped upside down, I can get some of this stuff you've been asking me for. Here's a real clear view of the bent screw, the 207 millimeter rod here, and of course the the up-down connector. Here is that. Oh, focus. Come on, focus. I can't. Now it's too bright. At any rate, I'm going to go at this from the other side. And it reads ZQSF-E 1.3 is the controller. This is all upside down. I think I could turn the camera upside down maybe and get it right side up for that information there. That's the closest I can get to giving you the label that's on the bottom of the the footrest, because it is upside down. And also because none of the controls work. Of course, I've got it unplugged right now too, but none of the controls work because this is jammed and cracked right here. And I think that's what went wrong, is this part didn't rotate properly with this rotating in here. So I think that's what went wrong with it. Hopefully, I'm going to try to take some picture stills as well, but hopefully this is enough documentation for you for that 207 millimeter rod part. And maybe I need to replace this motor too. I don't know. Okay, so that's the end of this video that I will upload to YouTube and send a link. But now to take some